balancing hormones naturally without medication has been extensively studied, and several lifestyle and dietary interventions have shown effectiveness through both observational studies and clinical trials. Here's a breakdown of the most effective evidence-backed methods to balance hormones. Nutrition and diet. A low-glycemic, whole food diet helps balance insulin and reduce androgen levels, especially in polycystic ovary syndrome and metabolic syndrome such as high blood pressure or impaired fasting glucose. Studies show Mediterranean-style diets reduce insulin resistance and inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, cauliflower, aid in estrogen metabolism via compounds like indole 3-carbinol, linked to improved estrogen balance and reduced estrogen dominance. Healthy fats, omega-3s, found in olive and cod liver oil, ground flaxseed, avocados, and nuts, were found to support hormone synthesis, like progesterone, estrogen, and testosterone. Diets rich in omega-3s show improved thyroid and adrenal function. Adequate protein intake supports hormone production, like growth hormone and insulin. 20-30 grams of protein per meal is considered to be ideal. Exercise, but not too much. A moderate amount resistance training generally involves 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. Found to boosts testosterone, growth hormone, and insulin sensitivity. Shown to improve hormonal balance in both men and women. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, reduces cortisol and insulin resistance over time. Effective for weight loss and endocrine health. Avoid overtraining. Excessive cardio or strength work increases cortisol, negatively affecting thyroid and reproductive hormones. Observed in athletes and those with chronic fatigue. Stress management and building greater resilience. Mindfulness, meditation, and breathwork have been proven effective in reducing cortisol and supporting adrenal health. Studies show lower stress hormone levels and improved mood-related hormones, serotonin, dopamine. Daily relaxation, nature walks, journaling, yoga. Mitigates chronic cortisol elevation. Direct impact on thyroid function and sex hormone regulation. Sunlight and vitamin D. Proven effective in hormonal balancing. Through sun exposure or supplementation. Vitamin D acts like a hormone and regulates the reproductive, thyroid, and stress hormones. Vitamin D deficiency is linked to low testosterone, estrogen imbalance, and thyroid disorders. Reduce endocrine disruptors, environmental toxins. By avoiding BPA, otherwise known as bisphenol A, that are used to make plastic bottles and food containers, phthalates, another chemical used to make plastics more flexible and durable, and parabens, a chemical found in beauty and personal care products, such as moisturizers, shampoos, conditioners, makeup and deodorants, and synthetic fragrances. As these chemicals mimic or block hormones like estrogen and testosterone, shown in population studies to cause a disruption in puberty, fertility, and with the thyroid function. Use glass, stainless steel, carefully select personal care products, and use filtered water whenever possible. Herbs and supplements, natural, but still not medication. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, rhodiola, maca, have been shown to help modulate cortisol and stress resilience. Backed by human studies for reducing fatigue and improving adrenal balance. Magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins assist by supporting the enzyme systems in hormone production. Magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins have been widely studied for premenstrual syndrome, stress, and testosterone support with promising results. I sure hope you gained something from this. Thanks for watching.